we have talked about apple pollinators in the farm, one of them being Golden Dorset. There's a video we did about the 12 varieties of apples, and among the 12 varieties, there were 4 that were pollinators, Golden Dorset being one of them. Today, we are talking specifically about the Golden Dorset as a pollinator.
This variety of apple here is Golden Dorset. It's one of the varieties which, oh, okay, it look this way when it's ripe. It's one of the varieties which you can also sell to the market, and is also have a very good. If you do a lot of things into it, it has a very good shape and also a very good lifespan. You see this one, this is Dorset. This is one of the best pollinators for my Anna apples and also crisp red, Fuji. It pollinates majority of apples because they flower at the same time. Challenge to do with this apple is that it's the late maturing. So when they are flowering, they flower at the same time, but fruiting, they fruit in different seasons. This one takes between 130 days, Anna takes like 90 days. You see, that is 3 months, and this is like almost 4 months. Okay. So this is good in Dorset. You need to incorporate it if you're growing different varieties of apples. You need to incorporate it in your farm so that you can have this kind of apple. Golden Dorset has a very beautiful challenges, and the challenges are this: it is overbearing. This one, it does not know family planning. So one thing you need to do is you need to thin the fruit so that you can have quality fruit. And number two, because of its productivity, when bees come to this variety and go to the other varieties, they make the other varieties, because of the pollination, to be more productive. That is the one main reason that you need Golden Dorset in your farm. Another issue, it has some challenges like the other varieties of apple. It is affected by fungal diseases, by pests, so you need to control that, and also to manage pruning, style of the tree, and how to manage it. So those are the major things that we have been talking to and training you on our previous video. So you need to manage all those kind of pests and diseases. But good thing about this is very sweet, long shelf life, and also a very good pollinator for your different varieties of apple.